Hello and welcome to our next tutorial. To buy DOT with fiat currency, visit Gardarian.com. On the homepage you can check out the list of cryptocurrencies available for exchange, and get some more information about the coin you are interested in. Select a fiat currency you want to exchange, and enter the amount you wish to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your transaction. Before going forward, check the exchange details. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Gardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee, and isn't charging you with additional or hidden fees. Click Buy. Before going further, ensure you have read the terms and conditions. Copy your DOT wallet address and paste it into the provided space. Write your phone number for SMS verification, and enter the code next. The following step is the verification of your identity. Please choose your document type and take a photo. Then goes a facial check. We need to ensure you are a real person. Turn on your camera and follow the written instructions. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. After this, you need to make the payment. Fill in your payment card and billing information. And use this step to check the details one more time before finally proceeding with the payment. The process of the transaction might take some time. After we receive funds to the bank account, the crypto will be sent to your wallet.